Cebu Safari and Adventure Park proudly presents the Bird Show! Introducing our host for today, Miss Mia.
Hi everyone! Good afternoon! Did you see your group of pigeons? Did you know that pigeons were used as a messenger to carry out message to your family, friends, and loved ones? So ladies and gentlemen, please relax and enjoy as our fine-feathered friends are going to show us some amazing tricks, awesome stunts, guest participation, and important environmental message. Now, are you ready to be amazed by our fine-feathered friends? Okay, great. So to start with, the common partner here on stage, Miss Demi, to welcome our blue and gold macaw named Amigo. So Amigo originated from South America and he inhabited in the rainforest of Brazil. By the way, Amigo is a responsible bird and loves to see his environment too. So we have sample trashes right here. Let's see what Amigo will do. First, we pick up the plastic cup. What will he do? Open it and drop it inside. Next one. Pick up a can. Open it and drop it inside. Last one. Pick up a crumble paper. Open it and drop it inside. Good bird. Now see, if birds can do, I can be, right? So always put your trashes into the trash bin because as we all know that cleanliness is next to godliness. That's right. And Amigo together with his fine feathered friends has something to tell us. Welcome to Cebu Safari's Bird Show! Now everyone, from the jungle of South America, here comes our flying macaws. So we have here two blue and gold macaw named and Carl. But wait, there is more. So we have a total of 6 blue and gold macaw named Harry, and Carl. So macaws are very adaptive bird and whatever environment they're in, it becomes quite normal to them. So if they're surrounded with many people, they will upset many people. And macaws love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. They also have a powerful beak that can crack hard-shelled nuts. And we have a total of 370 species of parrots around the world, and macaws are the largest. Okay, and I think they're ready to go back home, everyone. So round of applause to our flying macaws. And for our next bird, it is a very special, intelligent, and handsome bird. But I need your help to call him. Can you say Jumbo? We can hear you. Make it louder. Say Jumbo. Okay, come on.
Where's Jumbo? Where's Jumbo?
Where's the crowd? Can you wave at them, please?
Wala pa.
Wave
Ikaw mo na pa, man.
Okay, so macaws have a very long tail of feathers. It can grow up to 3 feet, and their tail would roughly extends up to 2 feet. So now, Jumbo is going to show his beautiful tail. Can I turn around with you? Wow, okay. So as what you can see, most of their colors outside their bodies and less colors under their wings. So now, I'm going to show you his wings. Can you say wings? Okay, let's do it one more time. Say wings. Okay, so macaws' feet are zygidactylous, which means they have 2 toes that points forward and 2 toes that points backward. And they also use their feet to hold on things at times. So we have this demo right here. She has a ground nut. She will place it on the plastic basket and let's see how Jumbo gets his reward. Okay, be careful. He lifts up the basket and get his reward. So we're using the reward system to recompense the intelligence and efforts of our bird. And as what I have mentioned earlier, that Jumbo is a very special and intelligent bird. Do you want to know why? Because Jumbo loves to go to school, to the bird school. Okay, so we've prepared 2 tests for Jumbo. First one, spelling test. So we have 5 animal pictures right here, and I want you guys to choose one animal picture, okay? So we have tiger, you want? Make it louder. Okay, I'm hearing tiger. Okay, let's have tiger. Let's Mr. Rocket. Okay, so while we are preparing the jumbo letters, let's have a short interview with Miss Debbie. Miss Debbie, how are you doing today?
I'm fine.
That's good to hear. And can I ask if where did jumbo originally came from?
South America.
But who was just here in the Philippines, right?
Yes.
Oh, that's good to hear. That's great. Okay, and we're all good. So, buddy, I need you to take a look at the picture carefully. How does tiger spell? First, pick up the letter T. Good job. Next one. Next one's the letter I. Okay, go ahead. Pick up the letter G. Okay. Go ahead, buddy.
Tapos yung
Next
spell.
one's the letter E. And what will be the last letter? Pick up the letter R. Sometimes it spells D-I-G-E-R. Is that correct? Okay, and it seems to be easy for Jumbo. Let's make it difficult this time, okay? So after the spelling test, we're going to move on into the mathematical test in addition form. So right now, I need you guys to give me two numbers between 1 to 10. Just hand gestures on this side. Hand gestures. Okay, see? 10. On the other side. On the other side. 5. Okay. Let's have 10 plus 5. 10 plus 5, buddy, is equal to... Okay, it seems like easy for now, but by the way, Miss Debbie, can I ask if what's Jumbo's favorite foods?
Varieties of fruit, seeds, and vegetables.
Varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And can I also ask if where did Jumbo go to school?
University of Cebu Safari.
University of Cebu Safari. And we are all set. So, buddy, I need to take a look at numbers carefully. Do some substitutions in your head. 10 plus 5.
10 plus 5.
First, you pick up the number 1. Okay, next number. Go ahead. Next up is number 5. So 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. Is that correct? Okay, so round of applause for great Bacolod Jumbo. Okay, so before our next let's please turn off the flash of our phones. At the front, sir, with a black shirt, sir, please turn off the flash of your phone. Thank you. The one at the top as well, please turn our volunteer staff, Miss Louie and Miss Kiza. Other kids can settle down. We already have a volunteer. Nothing to worry, guys, because you can still see the person's clothes. Okay, so follow the instructions of our staff. Don't do any extra movements. And don't try to touch the bird.
Awang. Walang siyang mata.
Okay.
Awang mata. Awang.
I think we're all
Ang mata ba?
set. So now everyone wants to meet cute and colorful second your name, Bunny.
Ang bata.
Come on,
Tanap.
buddy. Come on. Okay, go ahead. So Bunny is a very good bird and he made a lot of friends when back at home. So after he finishes school, they will go back home to talk to his friends. And also, they love to eat varieties of seeds, fruits, and vegetables. And they are also called sun parrots in South America. Okay, thank you, buddy. Let's go home. Come on. Let's go, friends. So as what you can observe, our birds are free to fly. We do not clip their wings in that way they can exercise their natural behavior in their natural habitat. Okay, thank you so much, sir. So ticket is the largest species of all ticket. They have a black body with a white mark-sized throat to help them camouflage in the rainforest. So we have Mr. Aiken right here who will try to toss some fruits and let's see how good he is at catching. Okay, let's do it. Okay, are you ready, buddy? our ears and hands. Good catch! Okay, let's have some more. Oh goodness, that's fine. One more time. Okay. One more? Let's have one more. Good catch, buddy! And by the way guys, when the sun is up, ticket substitute sa pinity ato. Right now, but you stay or do you want to go home? Okay, I think he wants to go home already. So thank you so much, Mr. Aiken, and a round of applause to Mr. Horn. So now, since we are already here in Brazil, let's meet Mr. Horn's good friends. Because we have here our yellow-crowned Amazon parrots named Lanny and Rudy together with their mentors, Miss Rachel and Miss Abby.
Thank you, Miss Mia. Good afternoon, everyone. This is our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy. Now, a yellow-crowned Amazon parrot is the most commonly kept Amazon due to its talking ability and playfulness.
That's right. We need to Pakistan what we heard every day.
Okay, now can everybody say hi? Okay, Lani and Rudy, say hello to everyone. Now, they can mimic different sound of the animal. So let's try for a rooster. Okay, what is the sound of a rooster, buddy? Okay, now, what is the sound of a cat? How about a dog? So they can also copy the sound of a telephone ringing. Okay, guys? Yes, now Lani and Rudy loves to sing. But before we sing, we have to do a warm up first, okay? Okay, I guess they're ready. So the first song is titled More Than I Can Sing, and we're just gonna sing 2 lines of the song. Okay? Good. Now, for the second song, let me ask first, who's celebrating their birthdays today or within this month? Do we have celebrants? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Other side, 6. We have a lot of celebrants. So, happy birthday, advance happy birthday, belated happy birthday. Now listen very carefully because Lani and Rudy will sing a happy birthday song to you. Okay? Ready?
Dapat tayo. Okay na daw.
Okay, so everyone, a round of applause to our mimicking bird named Lani and Rudy. Thank you.
Okay, thank you so much, Miss Rachel and Miss Abby, for mimicking birds named Lanny and Rudy. So now, since you already went, so when you say birds of prey, they are birds that choose to pursue smaller mammals or birds as their food. Like for example, eagles, hawks, vultures, and owls, they're defined as birds of prey. So right now, for our first bird of prey, put your hands together to our second prey flight that Brahminicite name, glider. So Brahminikites are formerly known as the red boxy eagle in Australia, and they're locally known as Banong in Bisaya and Lawing in Tagalog. And their diet, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. Settle down, everyone. Sit down, and no one will stand up.
Ano one will stand up?
Okay, so round of applause for Brahminicite name, glider. And now for our see in the urinal, they're more active on daytime and they do their hunting skills mostly on daytime. And with that, we need a lure. Handled by Mr. James. Now the lure will serve as the food or the prey because our next bird will gonna showcase how good he is at catching his food. So now everyone, keep your eyes alert to our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. Buddy. So we have here Miss Debbie. She is the real food or the real prey because Hunter will not let go of the lure without an exchange. And so you can observe, Miss Debbie is wearing a thick glove. It is for the protection of the large and sharp talons of our bird. And Philippine hawk eagle is under the red list of IUCN as endangered species threatened by habitat loss. And same with other birds of prey, they love to eat small mammals, reptiles, and birds. They also have a wingspan of 105 to 125 centimeters. So round of applause for our Philippine hawk eagle named Hunter. And now from the medium-sized birds of prey, let's move on to the one of the largest birds of prey. So right now, I need the cooperation of everyone to please sit down. No one will stand up, and please don't try to reach out our birds. It is for your own safety because our birds will fly closer to you. And please, when taking pictures or videos, please turn up the flash of your phones. Okay, so now everyone, for our grand finale, keep your heads up high to our balancing eagle named Marina. So white balancing eagle are also known as the king of the sea. They have a white plumage from their head down to its underparts, and from their back and waist, they have a dark gray in color. And they're mostly found in Tasmania, Southeast Asia, and Australia. Same with other birds or animals, female is slightly larger than the male ones.